level a floor using OSB and shims. First, you're gonna need 3 sizes of shims. I got a bunch of scraps, and what you do is have a bunch of levels, especially a long level. I think it's like a 6-footer. So what you do is play off the highest point in your room, and you level that. Put the OSB down and start shimming. The hardest part is to get the first board down. Once you got that secure, you will put 4-inch screws all the way through into the subfloor. Before you start this project, you're gonna wanna check your basement and make sure that you don't have a foundation issue. Sometimes you'll have to jack up the house and put some there to secure it before you get started. So you could see all my shims, I spaced them out every 18 inches, and it's a solid floor once you stand on it. And the top boards are 3/4 inch with tongue and groove. Be sure to position them in the right way when you start. That way you could hit the flat end of the tongue and groove with the mallet, locking the piece in. If you do it backwards, you're gonna have trouble. Also, I used liquid nails in all my joints. Make sure to check your level as you start to screw it down, because it can change as you sink your screws down into the subfloor. And guys, if you can't figure this out, ask your wife to help you. I'm sure she could handle it. Any other questions, leave a comment, help you out.